I'm on my way to work and I'm stopping here at Starbucks located inside of Kroger. And what we're gonna do this morning, we're gonna try one of their holiday coffees. And I think I'm gonna try, they have a peppermint. So we're gonna see, but I'm at this one, let me show y'all, that's located inside of Kroger. And I have this nice little Starbucks card here that was given to me a while back by Trevor. He had a program. What he did was he had everyone to come out. He gave educators and different ones Starbucks cards. So I'm about to use my Starbucks card to give me some holiday coffee. So let's go over here to Starbucks and get us some holiday coffee, okay? They have the sugar cookie, almond milk latte, IcedSugar Cookie Almond Latte. Then over here they have the hot or the cold ones for you. Toasted white chocolate mocha, chestnut praline latte. I think I'm gonna try the peppermint mocha hot. Then they have the peppermint mocha frappuccino, pumpkin spice, caramel. So I think I'll try one of those. All right, look at this while I'm waiting on the cashier. I guess she went to the back. They have the nice Starbucks gift cards if you all want to give someone one of these for Christmas. Someone that you know really likes Starbucks coffee. Give them a nice Starbucks gift card. They can stop every morning and get their coffees. Y'all look at the holiday display that they have. Cocoa. And they have such nice cups they come in. And look, go ahead and get one for your aunt and everybody. You save $5. Spend $25 or more. So go ahead and just get up to $25. No, $20 or more. And you'll actually save $5 on your entire thing. I would love a Christmas blend. That's it, Dominique. Look, peppermint mocha, Christmas blend. So y'all can put some of this in my stocking, okay? Along with some of the popcorn. And give me one of the cups. Can't go wrong with that. Y'all may be looking for something to give someone for Christmas. It said this is the season for coffee. And they have a sale. Woo! Somebody can give me a nice Starbucks cup for Christmas. I'll take that. Some nice ground. If you give me coffee, give me the coffee that's already ground. But they have a nice little eating area right here at this Kroger in front of the Starbucks. Okay, so we have, look y'all, they have this pretty little holiday cup. Y'all see the cup is so cute. And I got me a nice hot sandwich. They had the fat free, but I'm like, I'm not doing fat free, not today. But let's see what this will taste like. Y'all know I told y'all I'm not a flavor coffee person. I really just like my coffee, just real coffee. So let's see what this peppermint is. Hot. I like how they put your name on it, make you feel all special and everything. And it's so pretty on the inside, look. So pretty on the inside. Let's see how it tastes. I'm not doing the whipped cream. I'm not feeling it. I should not have put whipped cream on top of my coffee. But it's actually good. I'm honestly not a person that likes the flavored coffee, but I'm feeling this flavored coffee this morning. But I'm not liking that cold whipped cream on there. I'm not. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna try. Now I've seen a lot of people when they do this, they try their coffees together. So I'm gonna try one this morning, the peppermint, and we're gonna come back this evening, we're gonna try a different one, but this one is good. So we're gonna enjoy this, and we're gonna enjoy this sandwich. That's good. And I love the way they put it in a nice little bag here for you and heat it up. Starbucks, you did well with that one. Okay, the sandwich was $4.25 and the coffee was $5.45. So I'm glad that I like it. It's $5.45 because y'all know I make my coffee at the house every morning for free. But I'm liking this. I'm enjoying it. I like how Kroger have that. You can sit down here and look, y'all, they got a nice little centerpiece on the table. Look at that little pointed center. Isn't it cute? And it has a little, look like a little dog on here. Is that what it looks like? And it's live. What is it like? It is. It's a live plant. I would hate for this to come up missing, y'all. It's cute. And they have them on all of the tables here. We're going to see what this will taste like. I'm about to get out of here, head to work, and when I'm on my way home from work this evening, we're going to stop and we're going to try another cup of coffee and see what it tastes like. And y'all know I'm going to have me a cup at work today. I can't film that one, but it's just going to be some regular coffee. So I can't film on the clock, but this is good. It's warm. It's smooth. It's mild enough for me. It's not really roast. I don't like really roast coffee. So I'm liking this. So I have to take back, you know, I'm not a person that really like the flavored coffees, but I could drink this. It's tolerable. It's tolerable. I can handle this. It has the caffeine in it, and I like the little to-go cup top on here. This is nice. But normally when I have Starbucks coffee, what I normally have is their pipe coffee. But I tried this one on this morning with the peppermint. And we're going to come back this evening. We're going to try another one, okay? So I've got my peppermint coffee. Whoa! I got y'all propped up over here. And y'all just almost failed. But I want you all to tell Supportive Mom, what are you doing for the holidays? What gifts are you buying? Are you buying anyone any gifts? Are you expected to receive any gifts? Uh-oh, whoa, so y'all keep wanting to get away. Girl, don't tell me what we won't do for footage. I'm trying to get a video up. I got to get one up for Vlogmas. Is my wig on my head straight? I hope so. I'm liking this. Desai put this wig on for me yesterday. I slept in it because I wanted to get some more wear out of it. So I hope it's looking okay. So y'all comment down below and tell me how my wig is looking. Baby, I slept in this one. I didn't take it off last night because I know I couldn't put it back on like Desai do. So I have y'all on a tripod, and y'all are standing up on this tripod over in this car. So if y'all seem like y'all getting a little shaky in the head, Supportive Mom, sorry. I've learned as a YouTuber, you got to do what you got to do to get that footage. Let's talk about Christmas shopping and our Christmas list while we're headed to work. Who got their Christmas shopping done? Who are you gonna get a gift for? I know you may say, if you're dating somebody, should you get your boyfriend a gift? Should he get you a gift? I'm married, so my husband and I, we always, that's just easy for us to say, I'm gonna stop y'all at a red light so I can look at y'all. So we have to get each other gifts, but we don't have our gifts yet. I don't know where to begin. I don't know what to get anybody. The only person that knows what they want for Christmas so far is Mr. Lincoln. Lincoln says that he wants Adidas. When you ask him what he wants, he said Adidas, Grandma, Adidas, and he wants a huge fire truck. So I have to go and find a huge fire truck, a huge one with working lights, working siren, and all of those things on. And I want to try. Last year he got one that actually shot water. I'm not getting that one. I think Destiny got it for him last year. Could put water in it and it would actually put it out. I asked my husband what he wanted for Christmas yesterday in the car. And he said that he just actually wanted to live to see another Christmas. So Dominique told him she gonna give him some eyeglasses. All of Destiny, I don't know what to get her. Well, I gave her and Dominique a present that I got for them. I'm not gonna tell you all yet, but they have it up and they may share it on their channel, but I gave it to them. And whenever they look at this gift, I wanted them to always remember how close I want them to always remain as sisters. So y'all comment, go on their page and tell them to share that gift with you all. Y'all, Boom gonna kill me. She gonna say, Mom, you slept in that wig. How is looking, y'all? For me, that's looking. How is looking? It's looking cute. I love it. I was trying to get all of the curls like this right here. But I'm about to hop on this expressway, and I'm about to be at work in about 2 minutes. Okay, y'all, I told y'all that I was going to come back this evening after work to try another holiday coffee. So I'm trying to decide now. This morning, I tried the Peppermint Mocha. So I'm going to see which one I'm going to try. And for some reason, they don't have a holiday. It was on this one. They just have the all-day breakfast and the espresso and tea and the anytime bakery and oatmeal. I love oatmeal. So we got to wait till we get up here to the full menu on, the large sign, and we're going to try us another holiday coffee.
Give me 1 second.
Okay, thank you. I actually need a second. Oh, that's the peppermint. What's the other one? I can't see it.
Oh, do you need help?
Yeah, I tried your peppermint coffee this morning. I wanted to try another holiday one, and I was trying to read the other two. What's the one on the end with the whipped cream on it?
This is our other holiday drinks are the creme brulee, the chestnut praline, the sugar cookie almondmilk latte, and the toasted white mocha.
Sugar cookie, and then what did you say? The almond what?
The sugar cookie almond milk latte is one drink.
Let me try that one. That sounds good.
It is. I had it.
Is it?
I like it.
Okay, but look, this time, because this morning I didn't really like that whipped cream on top of my coffee, so I don't want whipped cream this time, okay?
Okay, that's cool.
All right.
Was that it?
That's gonna be it.
You want that hot, right?
I do.
Okay, $5.98.
Thank you.
No problem.
So this time, y'all, I'm trying the IcedSugar Cookie. It says IcedSugar Cookie Almondmilk Latte. The one in the middle right there. I had the Peppermint Mocha this morning. So then I guess I had to come back and do the caramel, but I'm about to finish my video because I got to get a video up. I'm sorry. So y'all only getting 2. We'll get the caramel mocha in the next video.
$5.98.
I forgot to tell him y'all to put that in a holiday cup. So we're gonna see if it comes in a holiday cup without me asking. Cause this morning I had to ask for one because she reached for just a regular Starbucks cup. So let's see. They got the holiday cups over there, so we're gonna see. You're gonna give me a plain one on which one I'm gonna get. And $5.98. How y'all afford to drink this stuff every day? Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. I pay like $8.99 for a thing of coffee like this, and I get like 30 cups out of it. Y'all paying $6 for a cup of coffee? No. I know that's not mine. Oh, that's ice. I think you made the wrong one because he put it in.
Okay, so we have to remake it because we made it cold at first. Do you still want this?
No, I don't drink cold coffee. You're making me a hot
Yeah,
one?
he's remaking it.
Oh yeah, get it.
Oh,
Get
she
it
want to try?
Yeah.
Okay. I got you. Thank you.
He's remaking it.
Thank you. So they said we could try it cold, okay?
Let me
So
try.
let me try it.
No, man. Let me read it cold and you review it
Okay,
hot.
here.
Okay.
Go ahead. How is it?
I mean, I drink Starbucks though, so I like it.
Cold.
I drink it hot.
Okay, tell us how is it tasting?
I'm tasting.
Let's see what's in there at the top.
Well, I wanted whipped cream. Though, why you get no whipped cream out?
Huh?
I can't even ask because I'm getting a free drink. They're gonna be like, oh, he got sprinkles in it. Let me see the sprinkles.
Okay, I was trying to show
First,
us.
it's light skin, and I don't really mess with the light skin coffee like that, but it's fine.
Is what?
It's fine. It's fine.
Okay.
I don't like light skin coffee, but I can hit. It's like I taste the hit of coffee.
Okay.
The caffeine gonna hit you.
What does it taste like though?
I mean, I don't really know because it's
Cold
ice in
coffee.
it. It's ice in it, so I ain't hit it. The flavor ain't
So
hit it.
most people must order that one cold.
Yeah, I don't know. I taste something, but I don't know what it is though.
Okay.
What's the name of it?
Almond sugar cookie almond.
Yeah, I don't taste.
It's on the side. Read it. Sugar
Girl,
cookie
they
almond.
stuff barely be printing off. The print will be mixed
So you're
up.
not gonna taste it cold because that sugar is
Yeah, that's
not
what I said. I don't
gonna,
taste it. It's like on your breath, if that makes
I
sense.
see why they line is so long now because they making.
Shh, don't get the telling them how to do it.
I'm not. Okay, let me ask you a quick question. So most people must order that one cold, huh?
No, it's like a mix of them.
Okay. Look, I'm trying these. My daughter's got me into the YouTube thing.
Yeah.
So I'm doing the trying the Starbucks. I tried the peppermint this morning. Check my channel out. SupportiveMom. And I'm going to try this one out. It is the word sugar cookie almond milk latte. Okay, thank you all. They did put it in a holiday cup, and I didn't ask for the holiday cup. This morning I had to actually ask for the holiday cup. Girl, they gave me a plain Starbucks cup. So let's see. I don't like drinking through this. I'm sorry, y'all. It's foamy. It's whipped. It's nice. It looks like hot chocolate.
Camera focus. And don't waste it up on me because
Okay.
I'm very.
I'm liking it. I do. I taste the hint of almond. Okay? I may can get with y'all on this little flavor stuff a little bit. Maybe if it's hot, cold. I'm not, because you say you couldn't really taste it cold, right?
Nah.
I wish you could let me
It's
taste
not really
when we get
here.
home, I'm going to let her pour me some of the cold into a cup because I want to see how it tastes different cold from hot since we both have the same too.
Taste on your breath with this.
But see,
if
that's
that
why
makes sense,
I
like
did mine not together. You know how most people sit down and drink them all together. That's why I did one this morning. I told you I said I'm going to come back this evening because I actually wanted to get the taste. Because I don't know what they do with their taste buds. Well, I guess like at a wine tasting, if you got the cheese and everything, I guess you can. But I didn't have any crackers or anything, you know. So that's why I said we're going to do the peppermint this morning. And we're going to go back this evening. We're going to try another. And I'm feeling that. But it still don't have that kick like that coffee. It don't have that boom. It don't have that coffee kick. Just that straight Maxwell House, boom, full of caffeine coffee. It's like the flavor takes away from that kick. To me, it does. Like to me, that's what the flavor does. It's tolerable. I like it. It's not that I don't like it. I'm about to try a cold one for y'all. I don't know how that's going to work, though. We'll see.